Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today, this opportunity, I want to tell you about glowing story that on 14 centuries ago. What about this story? Okay, so this story is about leadership of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and his full name is Muhammad bin Abdullah bin Abdul Muttalib. Okay, so before we continue to the main story, let me introduce myself first to you. Okay, so my full name is Arifin Fatimani. I'm from Hanafiya class and my major is software development. Okay, so to make time more efficient, let's move to the main story. Okay, so he is a honest leader, trustworthy, responsible, smart, and wise. He is a fair and democratic leader. Not only fair on making decisions, but also wise on conference and agreements. However, he is also a sincere leader, doing things with his intention only for Allah. Besides that, he also teach us to worship to Allah. Even though he is a head of state, he is not built to live more simply and do more trivial matters such as working, help his wife, taking care of his animals, and the others. Besides that, he was also joined in several wars that directly, such as the Battle of Badr, the Battle of Uhud, the War of Khandaq, the Battle of Banu Qurayza, the Battle of Banu Mustalik, Khaybar War, Liberation of Makkah, War of Hunain, War of Tabuk, and the other wars. So, even though he is a prophet also and also a head of state, which means he is an important person with the positions. He still takes care of his folks and also still wants to join directly on several wars with the Muslims plan. Unlike the many leaders of state that Mustira and they also treated everyone regardless of religion, races, or ethnicity. It is like that. A noble human being is with a noble way. In story, it is said that Prophet Muhammad is the most generous human than the other humans. And in many stories, he is also known of his honesty. He is very honest. That's why he was given the nickname of Al-Amin. Besides that, he is also known very gentle and forgiving. He is also known very generous and not hesitate to give what the other people ask if he able to provide it. Not only in leadership and generosity, the Prophet Muhammad also showed a great example in patience. He faced many insults, threats, and even physical harm from the Quraysh, but he never responded with angry. Instead, he always chose patience, wisdom, and forgiveness. This attitude later became one of the reasons why many people were tortured and decided to accept Islam. He was also a teacher. He taught his companions about manners, kindness, justice, and responsibility. He guided them not only about religion but also about how to live as a good human being. Many companions said that when they were around the Prophet, they felt peace and comfort because he always spoke gently and smiled often. The Prophet also cared deeply about young people. He encouraged them to protect them and trusted them with the big responsibilities. For example, Osama bin Zaid was appointed as a commander of an army when he was still very young. This shows that the Prophet believed in youth and saw their potential. Another thing that makes his leadership special is how he treated women. At that time, women were often not respected, but the Prophet raised their honor and taught that men and women have rights and dignity. He said, "The best of you are those who are best to their wives." This shows how gentle and caring he was. He also encouraged Muslims to seek knowledge. One of his famous saying is, "Seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim." Because of his teaching, the Muslim world later became a center of science, raising many scientists, doctors, mathematicians, and thinkers. So overall, the leadership of Prophet Muhammad is complete, wise, strong, radiant, honest, generous, humble, and full of love for his people. That is why until today, millions of people still follow his example. And okay guys, I think that's all from me. Thank you so much if you watch this video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.